Hello everyone, welcome back to stock market updates for 5th of January 2026. The Indian stock markets ended the day on a weak note. The Nifty 50 index down by 78.25 points to close at 26,250.30. The BSE Sensex down by 322.39 points, close at 85,439.62. And the Nifty Bank down by 106.75 points to close at 60,044.20. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, realty, consumer durables, FMCG, media, metal, PSU bank and auto emerged as the leading gainers, whereas IT, oil and gas, healthcare index, pharma and private bank ended in the red. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: Nestle India, Bharat Electronics Limited, Eicher Motors, Hindustan Unilever and Tata Steel. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: HDFC Bank, Wipro, Infosys, HCL Technologies and ONGC. On the NSE today, a total of 3,258 stocks were actively traded. Among these, 1,208 stocks advanced in value, reflecting positive movement, while 1,943 stocks declined, indicating downward pressure. 107 stocks unchanged by the close of the session. Let us take a look at market news. HDFC Bank reported 2.7% quarterly on quarter loan growth to 28.45 trillion and 2.1% quarterly on quarterly deposit growth to 28.6 trillion in quarterly 3, driven by festive demand. The bank said it remains on track to normalize its loan to deposit ratio to 85 to 90% by financial year 27 by growing deposits faster than loans. Kotak Mahindra Bank announced 5:1 stock split to improve liquidity and affordability effective 14th of January 2026. The face value per share will be reduced from 5 rupees to 1 rupee post split. State Bank of India is exploring INR-based trade settlement with Israel, aligning with the Reserve Bank of India's framework as imports and exports strengthen and free trade agreement talks progress. The Nifty India Defence Index jumped 2 to 3% today, marking a strong session as geopolitical tensions lifted defense stocks. Shares of Bharat Electronics, Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Dynamics, MTAR Technologies, Solar Industries, Data Patterns and Paras Defense rose approximately 1 to 5%. Coal India said its subsidiary Bharat Coking Coal (BCCL) will launch its 1,071 rupees crore initial public offering on January 9th with a price band of 21 rupees to 23 rupees per share. Nicolas Maduro was taken to the United States after US airstrike in Caracas. Donald Trump said oil sanctions on Venezuela will stay, while the US will work with Delcy Rodriguez on a transition to democracy. Oil and Gas Corporation shares erased early gains after US action in Venezuela raised concerns over overseas assets, as its arm ONGC Videsh holds a 40% stake in the San Cristobal project. This concludes today's market updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more market updates. See you in the next market update.